Okay, we're going to use area tiles today. I'll explain what those are. We're going to use these to multiply binomials and represent the answer visually. So looking at this first tile, the area would be length times width. Since length is 1, width is 1, 1 times 1, the area is 1. For this tile, it is x times 1, so the area is x. And this larger tile, x times x, gives you an area of x squared. So we're going to see how to use these to solve, to multiply binomials. So look at the first example. Okay, in this example, we have binomial x plus 2 times another binomial x plus 1. We're going to use the first binomial on this side. Oh boy. Switch. Okay, technical difficulties. X plus 2. So to represent x, we have this tile x, and then we have 2. Our next binomial is x plus 1. We're also flustered because of the dried out pen. Okay, so this represents x, and this box represents 1. All right, so x plus 2, x plus 1. We multiply them together. Now hopefully the blue marker is not dry. So x times x, there we go, gives you x squared. X, that was totally, this is a 1, right, and this is a 1. Sorry about that. So x times 1 gives you x. X times 1 gives you x. Now we go this side. X times 1 gives you x. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Now you have these, you just add them up, combine like terms. 1x squared, so you have x squared, you have 3 x's, add those together, and then you have 1 plus 1 equals 2. Right, so that is your final answer, and you just got that by using those area tiles. Okay. All right, now we're going to let you try this before you watch me do it. So x plus 3 times x plus 2. Use the area tiles, set it up just like the last problem, and see what you get, and then we'll go over it together. Okay, so x plus 3. We'll go back to the green. Have x plus 3 on this side. Okay, so we have our x. Then we have 3 of these. All right, next is x plus 2. We represent our x. And now we have 2. All right, we're set up. Our 2 binomials, now multiply them together. So x times x gives you x squared. X times 1 gives you x. X times 1 gives you another x. X times 1 here gives you x. X times 1, x, and x. All right, now you multiply 1 times 1, 1 times 1, right, and you have that for all of these. Okay, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. All right, add them up, combine like terms. X squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so hopefully this is the answer that you got using the area method. And it's a nice visual representation of multiplying those binomials together. Okay, our last question, last box, is an extension question. And it says, how can we use the algebra tiles to multiply these 2 binomials together? You have x minus 2 and x plus 3. So notice there is a difference in this problem versus the ones that we have done. Think about how that will affect the way you solve it, how that will affect how you can represent that difference visually using the tiles. And hopefully we will all be in the same place when we come to class next time. So good luck.